Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your online sales with BigCommerce, complete guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your online sales with BigCommerce, start by creating a BigCommerce account. Once you've signed up, log into your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and explore the available features. Begin by selecting a suitable theme for your store. Choose a theme that aligns with your brand and products. Customize the theme to reflect your unique brand identity. Add your logo, adjust colors, and select fonts that resonate with your target audience. Next, organize your products into categories. Creating clear categories helps customers navigate your store easily. Import your product listings efficiently using CSV files if you have a large inventory. Use high-quality images for all your products to enhance visual appeal. Write compelling product descriptions that highlight benefits and features. Ensure your product pages are optimized for SEO to improve search visibility. Set up payment gateways to provide various options for your customers. Integration with multiple payment processors boosts customer confidence and convenience. Configure shipping settings according to your business model. Offer realistic shipping rates and delivery times to avoid customer frustration. Implement promotional tools available within BigCommerce. Utilize discounts, coupon codes, and bundled offers to attract more customers. Make use of social media integration to expand your reach. Link your social media accounts for seamless marketing and increased visibility. Monitor your store performance using BigCommerce analytics tools. Analyze data on customer behavior, sales trends, and product performance. Based on the data, adjust your marketing strategies for better results. Consider running targeted ad campaigns to boost traffic to your online store. Utilize email marketing to re-engage past customers and promote new products. Keep your customers informed about sales and new product launches through newsletters. Lastly, continuously test and optimize your store to enhance user experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.